Hey, what's really good, people? Welcome back. Axtuo is back at it. How you doing? I hope you're doing great. I have this 2010 Hyundai Elantra, okay? But this applies for the years between 2007 and 2010, all right? I'm gonna show you how to do the oil change real quick. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, all right? Join the community channel too. Support the channel, support my work by clicking on the heart. Right there it says thanks. Click on that. That's the way to go. All right, and what else? Oh, subscribe, like, share, feedback, put in the comment box. All right, let's get it. This is how you open the hood. Right next to the brake pedal, under the wheel, steering wheel. Yes, sir. You see what's Gucci over here? Engine oil cap. That's what the type of oil 5W20. That's what this engine's gonna take. Oil dipstick, transmission dipstick, battery, radiator cap, fuse pots, engine air filter, brake fluid reservoir, windshield fluid, radiator, coolant reservoir, alternator, belt, pretty much. Alright, let's go down there and do the. What is this? This is a 2.0. Okay, we're coming down here. That's the oil filter. Okay, oil drain plug. Let's get it. All right. Let's drain this oil. Okay, I think it's gonna be look like a 17 millimeter for that oil drain plug. Let me give you some light too, because I don't want to be stingy with y'all. And saying, maybe. Okay, good. I'll put it right there, so you can see the oil filter. It's the oil filter right here. Okay, good. All right. Let me see if I can maybe give you a better. Nah, maybe like that is better. Okay. 17 millimeter socket on the way. Did I say this is a 2010? But the years between 2007 and 2010 apply to this project, apply to this car. So if you have a car like this, you know what I'm saying. I really don't want to get oil in my finger though, because I hurt my finger. Maybe you've seen it in the other videos. Oh well. It's just a nail though. Don't worry, nothing. I'm gonna use this tool to get to the oil filter. Just like that, okay? I'm gonna multitask here. Drain the oil through the oil pan and do the oil filter. Let me give you a better angle. You know how this thing goes, all right? I'm gonna give you a better angle with the oil filter. It should be good, right? All right. So
Take this. Put it here. Go slowly though, because there might be a little bit more oil. Try to pull it out the same way I did it, okay? Like this. So you don't get a splash. Just saying that. So it looks like that filter is made by a parts master. During my videos, you heard that brand a lot of times, especially when I do oil changes. This is a 2010 Hyundai Elantra. I know I said it before, but I just gotta remind you guys. It is from 2007 to 2010, okay, this project. So if you have a 2007, do it like this. If you have a 2008, 2009, 2010, do it like this. This is a 2.0 liter engine. I'm gonna go get the oil filter. Especially for this brand, Parts Master, the part number is 61334. Okay. Now I'm gonna clean here where the oil filter sits. When you see this thing is dry, I'm gonna lube it, okay? Because a lot of people are like, yo, you didn't lube that oil ring. I'm like, yeah, I did, which tells me that you guys not watching the whole thing. You just want a quick fix. Sometimes it doesn't work like that, guys. Don't play with me, guys. You gotta watch the whole thing if you want to learn. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, put this guy back like this. I want to give shout outs to Greenland for the support. I never thought about Greenland doing its thing. You know what I'm saying? Doing the thing. Appreciate it. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the support. That's what I'm talking about. Thank you, Greenland. And the other countries too. There's like 1,000 of countries that are watching this right now. I appreciate it. Alright, I'm gonna put the oil drain plug back. I'm saying I'm gonna put it back by hand, and then I'm gonna tie it with the 17mm socket. I want to snag it. I'm not gonna like tie it like crazy though. A lot of people tie it like crazy, it's the end of the world or something. Don't do that, guys. That's like some, I don't even want to say it, but it's not right. You know what I'm saying? But you know. Okay. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Just tight enough. That's all. Alright. Now I'm Audi. I'm gonna proceed to bring the car down and pour the oil, new oil. All right. Let me give you some light too. Okay. The Gucci, that's better. Hope so. Yeah. So this Hyundai Elantra 2.0 liter is gonna take 4.2 quarts of 5W20, okay? 5W20. That's the type of oil it's gonna take. So grab your funnel. Do the ding, 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 ding. I'm not even using gloves now. 4.2, 520, coming right up. Don't forget to support my work, support the channel, join the community channel too. You see the heart Right below this video, it says stamps. Click on that. Subscribe, like, share, and the feedback. What you think about this car? You like it? You stuck with it? You know what I'm saying? Okay. I'm gonna grab another light. I'm gonna see if it overflows. So you gotta pour the oil like a slow though, okay? Not too fast because it's gonna overflow down there at the bottom. And then you're gonna make a mess. All right. Okay, that was 4.2 quarts. All right, remove the funnel. Put the oil cap back. This down. Now I'm gonna start the car. I'm gonna let it idle for a hot minute. New York minute, all right? New York minute. Starting the car now. There you go. Car is running right now. In the meanwhile, check the other fluids and all that. You know what I'm saying? Might as well, right? Since you're down there. Check the transmission fluid and all that. Take care of your car. I don't need to tell you that. Yeah, I saw it, guys. You play with me. It's me, man. Don't you remember me? It's me, man. Okay. Let's see this transmission. Oh, the only way you can check the transmission fluid is when the car is running, okay? So don't play with me. Can you see it? Yeah, it's right here at the bottom. Okay, let me give you a better... Oops, let me give you a better... There you go. Now we're talking. Okay. That's alright. You don't see it because of background. It's right here. It's supposed to be right here. You see that hole? Right there. Just good. All the fluids are good. I think that's enough. I'm gonna shut it down now and check the oil fluid. Okay. I'm gonna shut it down now. Pull it out. Wipe it. Supposed to be here, okay? You see this dot? It's supposed to be right there, okay? Wow, the oil hit the bottom of the oil pan. Just wait. Maybe, I don't know, a few seconds, 30 seconds, something like that, while the oil hit the bottom of the oil pan. Now, put the oil dipstick in here and check it. Right there, all right, Gucci. That's pretty much it. Let me take you. All right, guys, and that's pretty much it. This car has 101,000 miles. All right. This car doesn't have a way to reset the maintenance interval. Okay, so you Gucci, you don't have to do nothing here. Alright. And I hope you like this video. Hope you enjoy. If you have any questions, let me know. Put in the comment box. Tell me how you like this car. Is it reliable? How? Because a lot of people are like, yeah, I don't like Hyundai because this and that. The most common problem in the Hyundais is it has this clunk sound right there. Okay, and that thing is with it has to do with something right here at the column. Okay, that's pretty much it. I mean, it works though. I mean, I'm saying so. Yeah, let me know. Let me know if you have the same problem. You hear that? Yep, that's what I'm talking about. That's what I was telling you. And that's pretty much it. I hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe. You see the heart right below this video. It says thanks. Do your thing. Join the community channel. Do your thing. Watch the whole ad, the propaganda, commercials, all that. Do your thing. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, this is a 2.0 liter engine. It's up to you, give it a take. Put 4 quarts or 4.2. All right. So I'm gonna leave it right here. Catch me in the next one. Axtuo, thank you for watching. Hey, see ya.